Hey guys, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can create this highlight animation on CapCut PC. I'm just going to go to background and I'm going to select a color from this. You can use any color that you want, but it's just way easier to do this. I'm also just going to adjust the size of this image. And I'm also just going to freeze frame this. Oh, okay, apparently I can't. Anyways, I'm just going to scale it up and I'm just going to mask it. I'm just going to select this one and I'm just going to adjust the highlight to it. Go back to basic, go to blend mode, and you can also adjust the opacity here. And you can select other, I guess, like blend mode here. Adjust it. Then what you can do is you can go to animation and do like the, I guess the like slide in one. Where is it? I wish like they can, like we can actually search for okay, I think we need to use the, let me just delete the, whoops. I need to delete the animation, and I'm just going to right click, create compound clip. Go to mask again, select the horizontal one and adjust it this way. Add a keyframe here, and then like at the end where you want it to be done, place it here. And that is it. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. If you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.